Let's get you the first images coming in of the meeting between US Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Remember that Tulsi Gabbard is currently in India holding crucial meetings. She's here for 2 days and of course this is her first visit to India after taking over as the US Director of National Intelligence. First images on your screens of the meeting with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Just before this, you also had Gabbard meeting with the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval yesterday, where you had essentially a global conclave of sorts of top leaders coming together. Now, remember that in just a bit, you're also going to be seeing Gabbard speak at the Raisina Dialogue, which we will focus on and get you those live updates of. But the first picture on your screens of the meeting between Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Tulsi Gabbard. Shivani Sharma is joining us live with more details on this. Shivani, the spotlight, of course, will be on this meeting that's just taken place between Tulsi Gabbard and Rajnath Singh. And it comes months after, of course, Prime Minister Modi met with Gabbard in America.
Akshita, this is a very important visit and a crucial meeting that is underway even as we speak. Tulsi Gabbard, the Chief of Intelligence from United States, is here. And we are right now at South Block where this meeting is going on with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. We've got the first images also of Defence Minister meeting Tulsi Gabbard. Tulsi Gabbard, who's here for a 2.5-day visit. She'll also be going to Japan and other nations. And she will be speaking on the occasion of the Raisina Dialogue tomorrow in the national capital. And earlier, she has already met NSA Ajit Doval along with the leaders of other nations, the intelligence chiefs of the other nations, the Five Eyes, in fact. And this meeting is important in terms of intelligence sharing, defense cooperation, security, especially when it comes to counter-terrorism. So this is an important collaboration that India is moving ahead with the United States in terms of security and intelligence sharing. And in today's meeting, important discussions will be done, as it is being indicated that this meeting will discuss the challenges that are being faced by US and India, especially when it comes to the Indo-Pacific region and the intelligence sharing in terms of countering terrorism across the globe, not only on the borders of India, but we see there are tensions between India and Canada in terms of the Khalistani terrorists who are raising anti-India dialogues or a protest whenever we see a diplomat out there. So in fact, a very important meeting that will be involving a number of issues, and the meeting is underway right now.
The meeting currently underway between Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and also Tulsi Gabbard. Important, of course, to highlight that this is the first visit by a top official of the Trump team to India, and fitting really that it's Tulsi Gabbard. We all know, of course, of her Desi tie, her Indian ties. Not her first visit also, Shivani, to India, considering she's visited many times. And she has a very, very close rapport with several of these ministers. She's met Mr. Rajnath Singh previously as well.
Yes, you are right, Akshita. She's been to India before this also. But what's important is that after taking over as the DNI chief, this is her first visit to India. She's already met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in America when he was there to meet the president. And after this whole new role that she's taken, this is her first meeting to the Indo-Pacific region and to India specifically, where she will be meeting many more leaders. She's already meeting and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh she shares a special tie with India, you are correct. And we've already seen a lot of her videos where she is involved in the Indian origin traditions. And today, when she will be meeting Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, she will be definitely discussing India's role and India's leadership in intelligence sharing with United States of America to counter terrorism globally and wherever it is thriving, especially in the Indo-Pacific region where India is also trying to face all the challenges together with the United States and other partners. So this is an important meeting indeed, and her visit to India after taking over as the DNI chief is all the more important. Akshita.
All right, Shivani, thanks very much for joining us with those details. Remember that Tulsi Gabbard next will also be at the Raisina Dialogue, and we'll track those updates. She's expected to be the keynote speaker at the Raisina Dialogue.